Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, bayang galerista, kwentuhan, balitang karera with Bossing Arriba King. For today's video ay pag-usapan po natin, pagkwentuhan natin itong si Moulmein Road na isa sa pinakaabangan ng bayang galerista at sasali na nga kaya sa third leg ng Triple Crown ngayong July, o meron kaya siyang ibang sasalihan ng mga stake races bayang galerista. Tara, let's go. Pagkwentuhan po natin to si Moulmein Road.
Gates open, they're off and racing. Good start for all contenders. It's Vagabond Blues is the leader, followed by Seeding W. Moving up that audience, that is looking good. In between runners is Red Velocity, 2 legs back in 5th position is entry number 4, Pleasure Effect, racing on the outside, Super Chief. Then followed in by entry number 2, Malibu Mo Gray, and trailing the group is Moulmein Road. It's now looking cool, has taken the lead over Red Velocity, drops back in 30s, Vagabond Blues. In between horses, moving up now is Seeding W, now takes the third spot, that on the inside now is a Pleasure Effect, joining them in the contention. Moving up is Super Chief, then a long way back to Malibu Mo Gray and Moulmein Road, or that's number 2 horse. Malibu Mo Gray is at the tail of the field as they race the last 400. Looking cool, it's now looking cool, being hassled now by Seeding Labuyo, and so was Red Velocity, joining them now on the outside. Moving up is looking cool, now trying to come back on the outside. Malibu Mo Gray on the farther outside, 100 meters left to go. It's now Seeding Labuyo by 2 lengths now, and trying to come back Red Velocity, and coming from up the face, pulling up is Malibu Mo Gray, and at the line it's now Moulmein Road. Moulmein Road wins this stakes trial race over number 6 horse Seeding Labuyo, Red Velocity, followed by
Iyon nga po bayang karerista, yung trial ni Moulmein Road noong March 14 pa po iyon sa Philippine Jockey Club 1400. Nagtala po siya ng 126.6 sakay po ni JP Guse. Dito po sa pagkakataon na ito, sila Seeding Labuyo, Red Velocity, Pleasure Effect, Super Cheap, Malibu Mo Gray at Vagabond Blues looking cool ang kanyang mga nakalaban dito sa trial na to bayang karerista. At matapos nga po yung trial na yan ay hindi na po nakita si Moulmein Road, at nakalipas nga po ang first leg, second leg ng Triple Crown at mga iba pang mga stake races, ay hindi po pa tumakbo ito muli si Moulmein Road pagkatapos po ng kanyang trial na yan noong March 14 sa Philippine Jockey Club. At ito lamang pong mga nakaraang linggo, June 3 yata, o tama, June 3, nag-barrier na po ulit yan bayang karerista si Moulmein Road.
Now towards the outside, Estelanola was very quickly away, and also well away morning after in the identical colours going up to join Estelanola. And third is Service Deluxe, a length and a half back then to Official Seal it is. About 3 or 4 back then Moulmein Road, and back near the tail of the field Cristiano with Mendel Bell keeping Cristiano company. They're spread out over about 10 lengths as they go towards the top turn around 750 out, and the inside is morning after, and they can advance Estelanola about 7 or 8 back then to Service Deluxe. On the inside of Service Deluxe is Official Seal, about 3 back to Mendel Bell, starting to make a little bit of steady ground, followed then by Moulmein Road. Cristiano has dropped out to the tail of the field on towards the home turn. They've got about 450 metres to travel. On the outside, Estelanola is a narrow leader from morning after, about 5 back Official Seal, and then running on fairly well under a nice hold is Service Deluxe, followed by Mendel Bell. Moulmein Road, Cristiano at the 150. On the outside, Estelanola not being asked to do too much in the trial and starting to stride away from morning after, and down to the wire it's all Estelanola. Down to the wire, Estelanola by 5 wins the trial from morning after the stablemate. Then came Official Seal, followed by Service Deluxe. Moulmein Road came next, followed by Mendel Bell, and Cristiano had a nice easy trial at the tail of the field.
At iyan nga po yung naganap na barrier trial ni Moulmein Road noong nakaraan June 3. Dito din sa Philippine Jockey Club siya nag-barrier, 1,200. At dito, naging panlima lang siya. 1.19 ang naitala sa 1,200 at nakakalaban nga niya dito sila Stulen Ola Morning After Official Seal, Service Deluxe at panglima nga po si Molmin Road, Mendelbel at Cristiano Bayang Karerista. At mukhang hindi pa masyadong ginalaw dito si Molmin Road. At nag-comment nga po dito sa ating comment section si Eric Lactau na sabi nga po niya bago maganap ang second leg, sana sila Molmin Road na lang po ulit. Tsaka ano yan, couple entry niyang si Machine Tus. At sana pinasali yung Everest at Bermuda. Nakasali na nga idol at naganap na nga ang second leg. At ito nga si Eric Lactau, inaabangan din niya to, si Molmin Road. Yun pong naganap na trial nila noong March 14. Kung mapapansin nyo, nabugaw po si Molmin Road. Ayan, Bayang Karerista, nabugaw po siya dyan. At silang dalawa ni Malibo Mowgray ang nabugaw. At rumirimati nga po siya, Bayang Karerista. Ayan, bali pangalawa na po siya dyan sa bugaw. Yun pong Malibo Mowgray. Ayan, siya pala yung nasa balya dito. Ayan, galing sa kahuli-hulihan dito si Molmin Road. Isang derimating kabayo nga po ito, Bayang Karerista. Dito sila Siling Labuyo at Red Velocity yung nakalaban niya. Sila Vagabond Blues. Pero hindi pa to mas may mabuti pang takbo siguro to si Molmin Road. Ayan, Bayang Karerista at pang-apat na nga po dito si Molmin Road. Napagkamalan pa nga po nung announcer na si Malibo Mowgray ito. Ayan na po, rumirimati nga po sa labas siya si Molmin Road. At yun, Bayang Karerista, nakuha nga po niya yung panalo sa trial at nanalo pa nga ng 2 kabayo. So yun, Bayang Karerista, ikaw nga Bayang Karerista, inaabangan mo din ba to si Molmin Road na makasali sana sa third leg ng Triple Crown sa July? At mas maging exciting ang race at madadagdagan ng entry ang third leg kung makakasali ito si Molmin Road. At hindi lang din po natin sigurado, hindi lang po natin sure kung qualified nga po ba siya sa third leg ng Triple Crown at sa mga iba pang stake races. Sa 3-year-old third leg, hopefully stake race, pwede din siguro siya dun dahil parang 3 taon ta lang naman to si Molmin Road, Bayang Karerista. At ang third leg nga po, Bayang Karerista, ay gaganapin nga po sa itong July lang din at halos mamamahinga lamang sila ng 3 o 1 buwan at magtatagpo na po uli sila sa third leg. Ikaw, Bayang Karerista, gusto mo din ba sumali ito si Molmin Road at isa ka ba sa nag-aabang sa kanya dito? Ito po si Molmin Road, kung di po tayo nagkakamali, yung divisa nito parang kalahabla. Habla po yata yan, di ba, Bayang Karerista, yung divisa niya. Kung di po tayo nagkakamali, Bayang Karerista, correct me if I'm wrong, Bayang Karerista, itong si Molmin Road. Yung divisa nito, palagi ko kalahabla. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, Bayang Karerista. Kung isa ka sa nag-aabang kay Molmin Road, please comment below, Bayang Karerista, at salamat po sa paikipagkwentuhan nyo dito kay Molmin Road at abangan po natin ang susunod na kabanata dito sa journey ni Molmin Road, kung makakasali nga ba siya sa third leg o sa iba pang mga stake races na darating sa July, Bayang Karerista. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, Bayang Karerista.